Hello guys, here I have a 2007 Buick Rainier. It's a 4.2. The problem that we're having is that we're having a low voltage after warm up of the battery. So customer or owner replaced alternator. That's a new alternator right there. Then he replaced a new battery, and he also replaced the I think it's called voltage control module right here on your negative cable. He replaced it with a used one and still having the same problem. We also try another used PCM, but still the same problem. After warm up, the voltage will drop to like nothing, and then vehicle will die. We checked for cycle signal and also voltage on both of the wires that go to the alternator, and we even spliced them and we put a new connector as well. Well, we still have the same problem. So let me start the vehicle for you guys and see what happens. Show you over here. See what we have here. And of course we had the battery light on, and what will happen is that the cluster sometimes will just lit up and die and then come back again. We'll have the voltage dropped to like 10, and then the battery light on as well. So the problem persists. We still have the same problem. So what I ended up doing, it's I put back the old one, the original voltage control module. I put back the original one, and after I thought I had a good repair success, because when I check my voltage right now it's 30.7, but if that's just when that's voltage, but still good voltage. But what I thought it was happening is that the voltage control module is faulty, because that only happens when you disconnect it. It will stay like that by default. But now if I move these wires around, see, my voltage went to 15.4, and also my lights. See if I can make right there. See, right there, it get brighter. Which also we got charging voltage, but when I let go, then we have low voltage. If I move it, then we go to higher voltage. So I'm thinking we have a bad connection between here and my post, my terminal. So we're gonna correct that. And on the cluster we have almost 9 volts, battery light on, most of the lights are on. So like I mentioned it before, the cluster will sometimes completely die and then come back alive. So those are my symptoms. Alrighty, it seems like we have already fixed the problem, corrected the problem here. It was a broken wire, I believe, here, a bad connection. So I mentioned that this 13.9 or 13.5 is not charging volt. I correct myself. It is charging volts, and on some occasions, when your voltage module fails, it will trigger a default charge voltage, which is around 13.5. Right now everything is working fine. We have our good grounds wired. I have fixed it here at the terminal, so now we have a good voltage. This has confirmed that our problem has been fixed, and there's no more voltage surge if we move this ground. Our fix has been confirmed. Now let's look over here, our cluster. We have our battery voltage around 14 volts. So there you have it. It's been fixed.